All right. Welcome everyone. It's Irvin here. Team with Irvin. Today is June 6, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today we are gonna be doing our pre-week analysis for the week of June 8 to the 12th. So make sure if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so, because we are coming with the new system, the new triple arrow system, where it's gonna be explosive. You're gonna be getting hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. Believe that. So make sure you hit that bell notification so you can see tomorrow full analysis. Remember, tomorrow is Sunday. So in case you want to see it, that is the only way you are gonna see it. Alright, so make sure if you have not hit the bell notification below, you do so, because you don't want to miss what is coming tomorrow. Alright, so let me go ahead and give you the disclaimer. Like always, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundreds of pips. That's what we're here for. So make sure you hit that bell as well. So guys, let me give you a quick reminder, guys. Please, always check the news. It's very important. Always, check what time frames you usually trading. Like I always recommend, 4 hours is very, very accurate. We are very excited to launch the new triple arrow system. If you are watching us for the first time and you want to grab our triple arrow system, make sure you do so, because we are going to be giving you the license for free anyway. So make sure you do that before June 9th, which is going to be the huge release day, and everyone is waiting for that. So it's like waiting with that sensation of getting their hands dirty on this new system. So it's amazing, but remember, everything is by rules. You play by rules, you will make those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, so today we are gonna start with one of my favorite pair. This is on GBP AUD. Pay attention, because I want everyone to really master this stuff. This is not hard, guys. Pay attention. You see that? 4 hours, right? I love 4 hours. For one reason, one way or another, I really love 1 hour. So what I'm expecting to see on this week, remember, this is for June 8th to the 12th. So we are looking here, this is just me, guys. I'm looking here to see a formation of our triple arrow system right on this area. So this is my analysis. Remember, guys, we are coming on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna reanalyze everything that we are doing today. And also, guys, I just opened a new subscription on my YouTube. If you want to subscribe, so we can do a private video behind scenes, so I can teach you some of the techniques that you need, so you can learn how to grab those hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, so we are gonna be doing live classes here and there, so every week, where you're gonna have the opportunity to ask questions. All right, so in here, if you pay attention here, this is just me. All right, so I'm expecting to see still like probably 2-3 more candles, then the market will take as a bullish, and it's gonna come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, we're gonna come back on Wednesday, and we're gonna reanalyze the market. Most likely it's gonna do a pullback from that area. Then the market will continue back as a bullish market, because that's where I think the market will take off. All right, remember, we are on our 4 month and a week, all right, where we only lost what I think was 6 or 7 pairs. So it's still then pretty good records. If you show me somebody else's record, my respect to that, but I'm speaking for Team with Irvin, right? Team with Irvin all the way. So this is it. This is why I love triple arrow system, the best system in the world. So we are gonna go ahead and move on to our next pairs. Make sure, guys, if you do have any question, please let me know, because that is the only way that I'm gonna be able to help you out. Oops, what did I do here? That is the only way that I'm gonna be able to help you out. So only if you do ask question. All right, and make sure, if you finding value of this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, or either you give me a thumbs down and say, Irvin, I want you to improve this and this and that, whatever you think is you need to be worked on it. All right, so let's get to that one. Let's go to the next pair. We are gonna go ahead and analyze USDCHF. Pay attention to the time frame I'm using, guys. This is very critical, in my opinion. Very, very critical, and super easy to use it, to be honest. But you need to learn how to do this stuff. Look at here. It's clearly telling us the market is sitting on what time frame? Sitting on 4 hours. So this is me. This is just me, guys. This is what I'm expecting to see here. I'm expecting to see a triple arrow, which is missing one. That's it. But in order for that one to appear, what Irvin thinks this market is gonna do is still gonna drop maybe 1 or 2 more candle. Then from that point on, the market will give us a bullish market. That's what the market is forming to go to be a bullish market. And I want to clarify something, guys. Just as a quick reminder, when I do my one-on-one private session with you guys, unfortunately, what I give here on YouTube is very limited information. I do not disclose everything that I do behind scenes. If you think YouTube videos, this analysis that I do are pretty amazing, like 4 losses in 6 losses in 4 months and a half, 4 months and a week, man, you missing the whole chapter. That is maybe 1 or 2 pages of the whole book, because there is a blueprint. Everything is in writing, guys. This is a freaking amazing system. Triple arrow, it has been a great vehicle to grab those hundreds of pips. Super excited about being a part of this company, one of the best systems. If you want to grab the link, like I say, you know, the description of the video is in the bottom, so make sure you take a look at it. If you want to grab our brand new triple arrow at no charge to you. All right. So, and also my private link is in there as well, on my Telegram. If you do have questions, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you out. All right, let's go on. Let's go to the next one here. Pay attention. This pair here is on EURUSD. Again, I'm looking here on one of my favorite 4 hours. 4 hours is everything I know. All right, so this is just me, like I said, you know. Let me check something, because I don't know exactly what this market is doing. Okay, cool. So in here, guys, this is what I'm looking here. I'm expecting to see a more formation, to be honest, because it's not fully ready yet. I'm expecting to see more formation to still drop down before it give us a formation of our triple arrow. So I'm expecting to wait maybe 2-3 more candles. From once those 3 candles appear, this is what I'm expecting to see. I'm expecting to see a triple arrow formation in here, which the market is gonna give us. What do you think it's gonna give us? Because I want you to know. Go ahead, ask questions, guys. I'm here live. I want to help you out, and make sure you tune in on tomorrow, Sunday's video as well, because I'm gonna be here live and trying to help you out as well. All right. So what do you think this triple arrow here will represent? Anybody? Make sure you guys ask questions, guys, because I'm here. I want to help you out. Any question? Any question? Comment below. Comment below. I'm here. I'm waiting for your question. All right. Someone says that is correct. You're correct. This triple arrow here, all right, is going to represent a pullback. That's what I think the market is gonna do. If you do have any other opinion, or you do disagree with me for whatever reason, please let me know. Either you can send me a private message on my Telegram. I will be more than happy to help you out and let you know why I think this is going to be a pullback. This is the type of stuff that I teach you guys when I do the one-on-one. Sometimes not to trade, stay away from pullbacks. But when I come here on YouTube, I have to give you everything, because they're free anyway. I can't. There's things that I tell you not to do, but here on YouTube, they're free. So if you find all this stuff super amazing, trust me, you're missing the whole chapter. But this is just me. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. All right. Do you guys have any question? Any question? Because if you don't, is anybody trading gold, guys? Is anybody on gold? Or or I don't know if you guys already analyzed your pair for gold. If you have not analyzed this pair on gold, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up. All right, pay attention. Before I analyze this, guys, let me bring this something very important, because I think you guys always, let me bring it here before I bring it up. I feel like you guys always missing the whole thing. Sometimes they go to Irving, how should I do this? Irving, how should I do that? Well, let me go ahead and bring it up in here so you can see it. So this is one of my videos, right? So this was last week pre-week analysis. So this is what I was telling you here, guys. So this is the new system that I mean the new YouTube stuff that it just showed up on my channel, and I want everybody to know. All right, so let me bring this one in a different color so you can see it, because I want you to see it. Let me delete the previous one. There you go. And we're gonna go ahead and make a circle here. Here is where we are gonna be posting tons and tons of new video of how I do my stuff behind scenes, so I can help you out. See that? It's there, it's there, it's there. And also, if you want to contact me about the triple arrow, look at here, the triple arrow sign up is in there as well. You can just click on there. You have any question about the system, you can always send me a message as well, and by asking me question before you join. If you want to join, there is a public Telegram in there as well. There is my Robinhood free account and stock as well, my broker I use. There's my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. There's other links. It's so much and so much there is there, so you can help yourself. All right, but there is plenty of information in there, so make sure you take a look at it and see if this help you out. If not, it's fine, but I just wanted to let you know how I do things here behind scene, so you can be aware of it. But this is a freaking and amazing thing. All right, so make sure you take a look at it. That it doesn't take that long anyway, but it's there. All right, it's available. All right, let's go ahead and analyze gold for the date. Remember, today is June 6, 2020, making today a Saturday. Tomorrow we are gonna be analyzing our full week analysis for the week of June 8th to the 12th. So look, guys, I told you all this movement on the gold. I did told you. Don't say I remember when I told you when the market was gonna drop, when the market went up, when the market was gonna drop, when the market was gonna go up. And then last Saturday, I told you, I clearly say the market was gonna drop. Right now, this is what I think the market is gonna do for this coming week, for the June 8th to the 12th. But this is just me. Remember, guys, these are not signal. This is just an educational purpose, showing you how amazing is our triple arrow system. All right, so here, or what I'm expecting to see, I'm still expecting to see maybe 2-3 more candles. Then the market will give us a retracement, retesting our 78.6 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting our mid AA line, which is 78 Fibonacci line. Then the market will give us a continuation of a bullish market. Do you guys have a different opinion? Let me know, because I'm here live, guys. Once I'm out of here, I'm out of here. But I don't know if you do have any question, because this is it. This is it, guys. I don't know. I mean, this is what I'm expecting the gold is gonna do. I don't know if you do have any other opinion, because if you do, let me know. I want to help you, but the only way that we all can help each other is only if we all cooperate to, work out as a team. Because if we don't, there's no way we are gonna help ourselves. All right, so any question, guys? Do you have any question? Look, I'm gonna be analyzing the rest of the pairs for the rest of for tomorrow, and it's gonna be GBP Canadian, the AUD Canadian, the GBP NCD, CHF JPY, NCD USD, GBP JPY, USD Canadian again, and US. Actually, I don't like this pair. Someone asked me last Sunday, hey, can you analyze whatever that pair? I think it's but I like USDJPY. So we are gonna analyze it USDJPY, but that is gonna come up tomorrow. All right, so make sure you tune in. because you don't want to miss this, guy. I don't think you want to miss it. But if you do, that will be you. All right. So, but I don't know if you guys have any other question. Any question, guys? Any question? Look at this. This is gonna be good, guys. You will love this stuff. All right. So make sure you hit the bell notification, guys. This is it. This is gonna be amazing, amazing class tomorrow. I'm looking everyone to come in and take a look at it. All right. So let me know if you do guys have any question, because this, like I said, you know, this is gonna be amazing. All right. So and I don't think, make sure you guys tune in on tomorrow. I mean on Tuesday class. It's gonna be explosive, guys. It will be explosive. All right. So I want everyone to take a moment here and give me your opinion on this. Ready? All right. So let me go ahead and put it here, and don't leave. Stay on. Pips are everywhere. Pips are everywhere. Yeah. Hundreds. Pips are everywhere. Pips are everywhere. Representando a Nicaragua, y la gloria finalmente es de Dios. Team with Durban. Success is what we're serving. All right, guys. So this is it. Take care.